What's up, party people? This is Carolina Mike, your host for SharePoint in 60 seconds, where you get the information you need in the first 60 seconds. And if you want more detail, stick around. We're happy to do a step-by-step run through. Today we're going to do a special episode. It's going to be short and quick. It is just a bug update. So if you're familiar with one of my recent videos, I discovered a bug here in the SharePoint app bar. So if you have access to this, you can try it out and see if you also are a recipient of this bug. From what I understand from Microsoft, it is intermittent or works for some, doesn't work for others, what have you. However, I was able to confirm today that it does not work on my machine. It also does not work on a completely different machine on a completely different network. So there's some information for you. And just to review, here's what happens. If you go click on create, you can create a new site. That works fine, for me at least. However, document, spreadsheet, presentation, and notebook do not seem to work properly. List works properly, and the last I heard, Microsoft is working on my particular case, and they have collected some logs to see exactly what may be happening on my machine. So if this is happening with you, I suggest you reach out if you have a tenant and get on the list so they can double check to see what might be happening, so we can finally take advantage of this super awesome button that has been added to the SharePoint app bar, and that is the create button. There you go. I told you it's going to be short, sweet, and to the point, and I really should learn how to turn my phone on Do Not Disturb. Bruh. With that, this is Carolina Mike saying thank you for watching. Oh, and by the way, special treat, we have eclipsed 1,500 followers. Thank you to everyone watching. If you found value, please click that like and subscribe and the bell notification so you can be made aware as soon as new content is available. Remember, do the best you can with what you got. SharePoint rocks, and so do you. Take it easy, y'all.